Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enoke. If you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you for returning and I really appreciate your love and your support. But if this is your first time tuning into my channel, I hope you do like and subscribe and I hope you love this video. So today I'm going to be reviewing this hair that was sent to me by Allove hair and this is how the packaging looks. So it's been a minute since I've been here on YouTube, but you know, we started again and we are not stopping, okay? So I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging anymore. I'm gonna try my best to be posting like once every week or twice every week. I hope that is fine with you guys. So this is how the packaging came. So I love the color. You can see my background is purple, lavender, kind of, you know, I love these colors like lavender, purple, you know, violet. I love these colors, violet and white, you know, I love these colors. So I love the packaging. So I'm going to be reviewing this products with you guys, so I hope you all bear with me and then you all stay for a while, okay? So this is how the hair came. It came with a wig cap and it has some note in it for you to read. So I am going to go ahead and then put this on my head as quick as I can. So I actually can't find my my brush. Yeah, my hairbrush, so I'm just gonna use this one and then I'm gonna apply my gel. That was the hair. I actually like the color of this hair. I've always wanted to have it wig like this, you know, like a highlight blondie brownish color. You know, this is a highlight wig that they sent me and it looks really cute if you all can see it. And it looks really cute if you can see it. This is like cute, you know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then cut the lace up because I am not a super duper, I am not a wig girl, so I'm not gonna risk it, okay? But I'm gonna cut in such a way that I'm gonna have some lace on the front. So guys, this is the final look. I feel like everything is on point, everything came together, and the fact that I took my time to do this, and this is real honestly the first time that I have ever done a lace front on my head that it came out looking really good. So this is how the hair is looking. I really love it. If you are looking forward to go purchase this hair, this hair is from Allove hair on Amazon. You can go check the page out. I'm definitely going to be leaving the link down in the description box down below, so do not hesitate to go check out the link down in the description box down below. So this is how it came. The hair is super soft. I am so amazed. It's a 20-inch hair, so imagine if you buy like a 22-inch, it's gonna come a little bit down, and then if you want your hair long, you know, you're gonna have it like 22, 24, 26 inches. It's gonna be, this is 20-inch and it looks so long. I love it. I honestly love it, and I like the fact that it blends well with my skin tone, and you know, everything about this wig is just awesome. You know, it's just awesome. You can't tell me nothing else. So yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and then let me know what your thoughts on this beautiful wig. For me, I'm loving this wig, so let me know what you all think about this wig. So thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.